Hello friends, welcome to Life Simplified and my name is Abhishek. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 8 benefits of meditation. It's been more than 5 years that I have been practicing meditation and I've been benefited immensely with this routine of meditation which I've been doing every day. But before getting into the benefits of meditation, let's understand what meditation is actually. Because many of us don't understand what meditation is actually and what are all the benefits that we can achieve with the help of this tool. Like we all exercise every day to keep ourselves healthy and disease free, our mind also needs some kind of activity to strengthen its muscles. To do that, we have a tool called meditation. Many of us try to meditate but find it very difficult to do. Whenever we meditate, we cannot keep that consistency, and since we cannot keep that consistency with meditation, we don't do it every day at the same time, we lose that intent for meditation and we ultimately leave it, and we do it very intermittently. But doing meditation intermittently, it does not help actually. If you don't do it every day, like you brush every day, you have your meal every day, if you don't make meditation a part of your routine, it is very difficult for you to yield results from your meditation. First of all, we need to understand the concept of meditation and where it comes from. Meditation is a term which is there in yoga. Yoga has 8 steps and the 7th step is meditation. So until and unless you master the first 6 steps, you are not able to meditate, which is the 7th step. Meditation that we do is not that meditation which is mentioned in yoga. The meditation that we do is the one which helps us to calm our mind, which helps us to improve our focus, our awareness. So the first meditation that I told you, it comes as the 7th step of yoga, which comes after yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. So Dharana stands for concentration, Dhyan stands for meditation. So that is the 7th step. Until and unless you achieve that 6th step of Dharana, or at least the 5th step of Pratyahara, which is the step of detachment, which is the step of renunciation, it means you see yourself as detached from this physical body and physical form. It means you are able to perceive your subtle body, and that is when you are able to access that state of your mind which is capable of meditating and which is capable of going into meditation. So until and unless you achieve that stage of pratyahara, you will not be able to go into meditation. Even to reach that stage, you need to sit and observe your breath and your thoughts, and that is what we call meditation in a layman's term. So if you are starting with meditation, rule number 1 is to sit without doing anything. It means you need to sit erect, your back should be, your spine should be erect, and you don't need to do anything. You don't need to think anything purposely. It is the time when you need to observe yourself, your mind, your body, whatever is going inside your bodies, whatever sensations you are feeling inside your body. You can observe everything. You can observe everything that is happening inside your mind and body. And this is what happened with me when I started meditating for the first time. I realized that how powerful this was. When I remained in the present moment for the first time, I realized that it sets you free. It sets your mind free from everything that you have been thinking throughout the day. Now, point number 2, you need to fix one time for meditation every day. If you want to meditate in the morning, fix one time and meditate every day at the same time for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever time you're comfortable with. Number 3, you need to be aware. What do I mean when I say you need to be aware? While I started meditating, I used to be aware of my breath. That helped me a lot. I used to watch my breath going in and coming out, inhalation and exhalation. So if any thought came in my mind, I used to observe that thought and that thought used to dissolve. Now, when you have got into a routine of meditation, you are doing it every day for 5 or 10 minutes, then you can slowly and gradually increase the timing of your meditation. Now, when I say you can increase the timing of your meditation, increase it 5 minutes every fortnight. Means in every 15 days, you will increase 5 minutes. But at 30 minutes, you need to practice at least for 6 months so that you get into that habit of meditating 30 minutes every day. When you have done all these, you need to stick to your routine. Only then you will be able to reap the benefits of your meditation. Now, this is my own experience. When I started meditating, I did not feel anything for quite a few days. Many months I did not feel anything. But gradually, I saw changes in my life, in my profession, in my interpersonal relationships. I saw the changes. So, the changes were not direct that you will be able to see and instantly you will be able to see. You will be able to observe those changes in your daily life with all your relationships. You will observe that you are thinking in a different manner, you are behaving in a different manner, and you are responding in a different manner. Now I'll discuss with you the benefits of meditation, and as per my experience, the benefits that I have received from meditation. So I have listed out some benefits that I want to share with you. So the benefit number one that I observed since I started meditation, that I have become less aggressive and more proactive. What I mean by less aggressive? So earlier in my school and college life, I used to be more aggressive, more reactive. My mind used to think in a different manner. Whenever someone told me anything, that used to trigger me. But since I have started meditation, and the person that I was then and the person that I am right now is a different one sitting in front of you. I don't get triggered easily. It is very difficult to get my mind triggered. I respond to situations in a very calm manner. No matter how difficult the situation is or how chaotic the situation is, my mind always responds calmly. And that is why I am able to take correct decisions most of the time whenever I am in a difficult situation. Number 3, my focus, awareness and my attention span increased drastically. I used to get distracted very easily earlier, but now this is not the case. Since I am meditating, the changes have happened very gradually. Benefit number 4, you will attract the right things in your life. Once you will start meditating, the energies in your mind and body will be aligned in such a manner that you will be amazed that how you will be able to attract the right things in your life. So this is what happened when the mind energies have been aligned due to meditation. Benefit number 5, you will have more clarity in your mind about what to do in life. Because your mind will become calm and composed, you will be able to take rational decisions in your life very easily. You will have more clarity about what to do and what not to do. Benefit number 6, you will get rid of your bad habits. So once you will start meditating over a period of time, you will see that you are slowly and gradually moving away from all your bad habits. When I say bad habits, it means whatever bad habit was there in your routine, due to which your life, your routine, your everything was getting hampered. So those things will be eliminated from your life slowly and gradually. And this will give you immense freedom. Benefit number 7, certainly your mind will start evolving and it will be more inclined towards spirituality. The curiosity in your mind regarding spirituality will increase. And the last benefit that you will have is ultimately this tool will transform your life. So this tool will transform your life both directly and indirectly. It will open up sections in your mind that you have never thought of. But we should not get attached to those experiences, because whenever you experience anything in your meditation and the next time you will sit for meditation, you will expect that experience again. But when you are doing that, you are actually letting yourself down, because those kind of experiences will not happen every day. So you can keep your experiences aside and you can keep meditating, because that will only get you at the next level. So don't get attached to the experiences. Keep meditating, keep evolving your mind, and this will certainly help you in all the aspects of your life. So that was all about meditation. If you think that you have learned something from this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.